Hey y'all, so the day I am filming this particular video is my actual birthday, and of course when my husband asked what I wanted to do today, one of my top things was working in the garden. Shocker, I know, y'all are super surprised. So I'm actually going to film a couple of videos today, but this first one is going to be cleaning up my back porch, which doesn't sound like the biggest like garden chore, right? But my porch is trashed right now. I use my back porch as like a working space, right? It's not a space where I lounge like what you're seeing right here. These chairs actually move all over the backyard, depending on where I'm working at what particular time. But the porch is actually a space where I do a lot of projects on. I store a lot of stuff and do things like that. So what I want to do is pull everything off the porch, give it a good sweeping. Actually, I'll probably use the leaf blower, clean it all up, put everything back up, and kind of get it kind of packed up for the winter, just so that's all cleared up and ready to go, and that I don't have to do this during super cold weather. So in Texas, I mean, I'm in shorts, y'all. It's sunny. It's like 70 something degrees. This is our fall. Yeah, one of my favorite memes, I'll put it up at the, after I finish talking about how Texas, it kind of skips fall, goes straight to winter. So anyway, as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and make sure you go check me out on TikTok. Okay, so here's the porch. You guys probably, those who've been around a while, probably remember when I built these shelves, and they've been fabulous this year. But I have a lot of things that need to be tossed, cleaned up. Yeah, there's a plunger back there. I mean, this place is a hot mess. So I'm going to spend today getting it cleaned up and then show you guys the final product. It's not going to be a super long video. Okay, I think it looks good. Got everything cleaned off. Definitely am dealing with some powdery mildew on these, so I'm going to get those treated with some dish soap and water. Everything, I got all my cactuses arranged, everything cleaned up. It felt good to spray everything out. This is my seedling bowl, and when I'm seeding, I mix all my seed mix in here. So I kind of gathered all that stuff together. Tools I use quite often. My bird seeds all right there so I can get to it. Fertilizers down there. Looks really good. I like it. Definitely going to feel so much better when I walk outside every day. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.